Don't waste your time updating your PC every single time and watch this 5-minute video where I'm going to show you how to update your full PC, and at the end of this video I'm going to show you how to get an automatic driver updater which is completely free. So let's get started. The first one is pretty obvious. Just click on your Windows icon and then type for updates. Check for updates. Make sure you go here and then you click here on check for updates. After doing this, make sure, and probably have missed this, go to advanced options, scroll down and go to optional updates. Make sure you select everything here and then you press on download and install, and after doing this you will see it downloading right here. Restart your computer and we'll continue to the next step. So right now we need to know what kind of hardware you have in your computer. Do you have an NVIDIA, an Intel or AMD device? Well, I'm going to show you all three right now. First NVIDIA, then Intel and then AMD. Which I can't sadly show, but I can show you how to download it. But the installation process you have to do yourself. Just comment down below if you have any questions. I also have experience with that. The first thing you need to do for NVIDIA is go to the link in the description and then go to this page. On this page, make sure you click if you're a gamer creator or professional workstation user. Well, that really just depends. I recommend you just get gamers or creators. It's very simple because professionals is for enterprise people. So right here, on this website, just click on gamers and creators. Very simple. And then here on the left, click on download now. After doing this, it will go to your downloads folder and you can see mine right here. Just double click on it and then open this setup file. Just like this. Continue the steps and make sure you ask any questions if you have them in the comments. While you're down there, please drop a like and subscribe so you can see way more videos like this, very short and clear. Agree and continue. There you go. Then it's going to install. Of course, I'm not going to do that. I am recording right now. It will kill my drivers. Then it will reinstall it with the newest ones. The next one you can also find in the description, and that's Intel Drivers. Either it's your GPU or your CPU, you need it for both. So right here, let's get started, and then we'll automatically download this driver support assistant. We need this so I can check our device, auto detect and download the drivers we need and software. For example, you have a Intel Graphics Command Center, which is quite nice, but only if you have integrated Intel or a GPU for an Intel. An integrated GPU is a GPU on your processor that can run basic things, not really games, maybe Minecraft, but that's it. But after clicking on download, it should appear in your downloads folder. So right here, just double click on it. We'll start this installation. Let's click on accept and install. And now it's going to install everything for Intel, the drivers and support assistant. And after doing this, we can actually check for drivers within the application itself. So right here, let's agree to our terms and then install it just like this and click here on accept very easily. So this is for your processor and for your graphics card. So there's a high chance you need this. The next one, AMD, is the same, CPU and GPU. So you also need that. It's gonna take a moment. After it's done, let's click here on launch. It's going to open this website and check for our system itself. So right here above me, you can actually see we can click on download all, and that is for our graphics drivers and everything like that, even Bluetooth, because I have an Intel processor. So there's a high chance that your wireless Bluetooth is also going to be that. And of course Wi-Fi. It's the same little chip in the laptop or not in the computer. That's either built in or you have an external thing for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, you know. Very easily. Now it's going to download everything and then install. Downloading is getting from the internet, installing is getting it on the system. That's how it works. So right here I can actually click on install and then we can actually install some Bluetooth drivers. They are already working, you know. But still, we can still update to the latest version. So you can click here on yes and continue all that. I'm not gonna. The next one is if you have an AMD processor or graphics card. So right here, go to the link in the description and make sure you subscribe and like on this video. Right here, let's click on Windows 10 and 11 drivers very easily. And after doing this, we can actually already go to the downloads folder, just like this. I'm gonna double click on it. And after you do this, it's going to start up. But for me, it's not gonna work. For you, it is. Please ask any questions you want down below so we can actually help you. Send some screenshot to our Discord. It's thephonus.nl/Discord. Right here, you can immediately send me the image itself and everything. We can actually help you. or the email address, whatever you want. Because I don't have an AMD system. I'm sad about that. But it's this is follow the steps and it will work. So make sure that you can use your AMD processor and GPU fully. So to round up, if you have installed NVIDIA, you're probably going to have the NVIDIA app, which is pretty cool. You can download your drivers right here. And yeah, that's very nice. You can change your graphics settings, everything like that. AMD also has this, so that's very cool. And if you have an Intel GPU or processor, you also have this app, which is the graphics center, and you can change here things too, which is pretty nice, like your display, like change some colors if you want on your display. Without wasting your time, let's get started with the automatic driver updater if Windows Update didn't catch all your drivers. So let's right click on the start button, and after doing this, go to device manager. If some drivers are not working, for example your Bluetooth or something, your Wi-Fi, you can actually see that right here before we have an icon which shows that doesn't work. I need to tell you that it does download most drivers, but can't download every single driver on the planet, but it will download most of them. There's a high chance your Bluetooth driver or something will be fixed. So go to the last link in the description, and then right here, let's take us to the download itself. Just click here. After doing this, we'll get a zip file. So let's click here on extract all. After doing this, let's click on extract, and I'm going to check this one so I can actually automatically open the folder when it's done. This is very useful if you don't want to install a million packages. This will download all those packages for you and install all of them. So right here, it has opened. Let's click on this exe file. And after doing this, I'm just gonna close some windows, and we have this. It's going to check my file system, ask for network, so I can actually access the drivers itself, search on the internet. What you need to click on is just very important, because the above one, this one is gonna take a million years. So what you need is download indexes only, the below button. So let's do that. And after doing that, it is going to download all things. I just need to select everything here, for example, Bluetooth, everything. It's going to download everything. I'm just gonna disable export mode. We can change the theme if we want. Oh, I really hate this one. No. How's that Happy New Year? Okay, I guess it's fine. Let's just keep it on grass. It's the default one. So right here, it's going to get some things. You need to create a restore point, which is pretty important, because if you don't do this, there's a chance that you can't go back to when your PC was still working, and nothing will break here, but it's just very useful. You will download a lot of these driver packages. So click on select all, select the create restore point, and click on install right here. After doing this, it will download all driver packages you will need, and your Bluetooth and everything should be fixed. These wet ones, they are not really important. Most of these are not found in driver packs, and if they are very important, I recommend that you go down in the comments and we can actually help you with which PC you have, and if you don't get all your packages. So right here, it's going to download almost 4 gigabytes of drivers, so I will be right back. This is gonna take a while, and I know I ask for it a lot, but please subscribe to this channel so we can become the #1 tech tips channel, and that's for Windows, Linux, best apps, everything. And we're so happy to help, but I have to wait so long for these downloads because my internet isn't that fast. Welcome to having a Wi-Fi laptop, BRB. It is almost done. And after downloading all packages, it will create a restore point, and after that, install all drivers you need on your system. There you go, you can see it as installing this driver for me, which is pretty nice. I am hands off and it's doing all the work for me. Very smart way of installing all drivers you need on your system. Sorry, the video was a little bit longer than expected, but I could show you a little bit more information. I'm very happy I did. So make sure you drop a like on this video if you have enjoyed it, if this helped you, and I will see you in the next one. If you have questions, just comment down below and we'll directly help you. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.